Hello children, welcome to the online classes. In our earlier class we have completed with our chapter of multiplication. I hope you remember what is multiplication. I told you that repeated addition. Addition means adding. Repeated addition is multiplication. So till now we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication. And one more operation of the maths is division. So till now we have learned addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now we are going to learn division. So what is division? Multiplication and division are related to each other. How? See, repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated subtraction is division. The four operations are related to each other. Repeated addition is multiplication. Repeated subtraction is division. Today's our chapter is division. See, what is division? Chapter 7. Chapter 7, division. See, what is division? I have 10 chocolates. Okay, with me. I have 10 chocolates with me and I have to distribute these chocolates to my friends. With my friends, I want to give the chocolates to 4 of my friends. I want to eat along with them. Okay. So how I should distribute? These are 10 chocolates I have and there are 5 children. Okay. There are five children. I want to give I and my friends. I and my friends have. Then I want to give my these chocolates. I want to distribute my chocolates to my friends. So repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is division. See, if I have 10 chocolates, so these 2 go to 1, second, third, okay. So I have drawn 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chocolates I have and 5 children are there. So I want to give 2 chocolates. 10 minus 2, 8. Minus 2, 6. Minus 2, 6. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 0. So repeated subtraction. Okay. So it is distributing the same number to a set of people. Okay. Division. Division means to split a number equally. To split a number equally. Okay. Division is splitting of the number equally. Splitting the number equally means small into making it to small parts equally. Division is repeated subtraction. Repeatedly we are subtracting the same number. You have understood multiplication as repeated addition. It's the chapter we have done already, the multiplication. Multiplication is the repeated subtraction. The same way, division is the multiplication is the repeated addition. Division is the repeated subtraction. But But division repeated subtraction. But division is repeated subtraction. So see, look at the 12 roses. See here, there are 12 roses. They are to be divided and put in 2 vases. So 2 balls are there and 12 flowers are there. So I should divide these flowers into 2 vases. So how many times 2 be taken away from 12? How many times 2 be taken away from 12? Let us subtract 2 again and again from 12 till we reach 0. See, 12 minus 2, 10. 12. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Which I have done. See, I have already done with this. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So how many times I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. Okay, 5 times I have subtracted. Okay, in this way we have to do. Count of the number of 2 has been subtracted to each 0 to reach 0. So, how many times we have subtracted here? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we have subtracted. We see that subtracting 2 from 12, 6 times we get 0. Let us take 2 more examples. Divide 35 lollipops among 5 children. Divide 24 crayons among 3 children. So, how many are there? That many times we have to subtract. See here. 35 minus 5, 30. 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So totally 7 times we have subtracted the 5. In the same way, division of 24 crayons. See, 24 minus 3. So only 3 people are there. So among 3 children we are subtracting. So in the same way, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. For every number, minus 3 we are doing. When we are getting 0, that many times we have to count. So here we have counted for 8 times. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Division by making sets. Division also means to make equal sets. So division also means to make equal sets. There are 15 teddy bears. See here, there are 15 teddy bears. To how many children can we give 3 teddy bears? So 3 you have to make a set. So what they are asking, there are 15 teddy bears and I want to give 3 teddy bears for one child. So for how many children I can give 3 teddy bears? So this is 1 and again I have drawn teddy bears, 3 teddy bears together, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for 5 children I can give 3 teddy bears. 5 children get 3 teddy bears each. We can say that 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, or 15 divided by 3 also we can write, which is equal to 5. 15 is the dividend. This 15 question is the dividend. 3 is the divisor. 5 is the quotient. 15 question is the dividend. 3 the number with which we are dividing, it is a divisor, and the answer 5 is the quotient. Okay, so now see the project. Draw fishes as shown. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So here see 6 fishes are there. 6 fish are there. First you need to draw 6 fish. Then divided by 2. So 2 groups you have to make. So in the same way 12 fish or anything, 12 balls you can draw, and 6 groups you have to do. 6 groups you have to do. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 you have to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 12 divided by 6 is equal to how much? 1, 2. In each group how many we got? 2 balls we got. We are dividing, making a 6 sets, then we are getting 2 in each group. Okay. Now 4 divided by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 only one group. So only 1 we have. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have. If we are dividing with the one group 1, we have 4. 4 in one group. Okay. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 groups, only 2 groups. 1, 2. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in this way you have to do. Next, come to page number 123, exercise 7.1. Divide the number as repeated subtraction. Divide the number as repeated subtraction. See, first you have to write 25 minus 5. Repeatedly we have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Then 2. Again minus 5. Can we deduct from 0? No. So borrow. This 2 will become 1. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 5. Then below this one nothing is there. So 1. Again minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Then again minus 5. 10 minus 5, we just now we have counted, no? 10 minus 5 is 5. Again minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we got 0. So wherever we have subtracted 5, write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times. So right here 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay. In this way you have to do. So this is for your homework. 16 divided by 4 you have to do. 16 minus 4. So in this way you have to do repeatedly subtraction and you have to write the answer below. How many times you have subtracted 4, that you have to write. Okay. Then let us see one more also. There are 18 balloons. There are 18 balloons. If we give 6 balloons to each child, to how many children we give these balloons? 6 balloons to each child. So here make a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Group. Draw the group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many groups we made now? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 groups we made. There are 3 sets, or 18 divided by 6 is 3. We can give 6 balloons to 3 children. Okay. This you will be doing for your homework. and division on the number line. 32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8. Okay. So 0 to 8. Again 8 to 16. 16 to 24. 24 to 32. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 32 into 8 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours. So this B and C you will do for your homework. So page number 124 and here 123 you will do for your homework. Okay children, that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class. Have a good day.